Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Adobe measuring tool. We'll start by showing you how to easily activate this powerful feature within Adobe Acrobat. Then, we'll dive into the various measurement types you can utilize, including distance, perimeter, and area. You'll also learn the crucial steps for setting your desired scale and precision, ensuring every measurement you take is incredibly accurate and reliable for your projects. Now, let's get hands-on with taking basic measurements. You'll see how straightforward it is to measure the distance between any 2 points on your document, perfect for checking dimensions. We'll also cover calculating the perimeter of various shapes by simply selecting their corners. And for those needing to know the size of a space, I'll show you how to quickly determine the area of enclosed regions with just a few clicks, making your workflow much more efficient. Accuracy is key, so let's talk about setting your scale and precision. You'll learn how to calibrate the measuring tool by defining a custom scale, ensuring your digital measurements match real-world dimensions. We'll explore how to easily switch between various units like inches, feet, millimeters, or centimeters to suit your project's needs. Plus, I'll guide you on setting the precision level, often to 2 or 3 decimal places, for incredibly detailed and reliable results every time. To wrap things up, here are some advanced tips to supercharge your measuring. Discover how to use measurement markups to add helpful comments and labels directly onto your document, enhancing collaboration. We'll also touch on exporting your measurement data, allowing you to analyze it further in other applications like spreadsheets. Finally, I'll show you how to easily clear all existing measurements, giving you a clean slate for new tasks and ensuring your document remains organized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.